Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos and stretching videos for figure skaters, but also for anyone who needs a good workout or a stretch. So today we are going to be doing a nice relaxing bedtime or nighttime stretch routine just to relax the body before bed, or let's say you've been sitting all day at work and you just need a good little stretch. So this is perfect. It's just gonna be 5 minutes, I hope. We'll try to get into those 5 minutes and we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna come and lay on our backs. So just come to your glutes. Let's inhale, reach our arms forward. Exhale, slowly coming down. You're just going to bring your knees up and we're just going to take some nice hip circles around with our legs. You can hold onto your knees, or you can even do this without your hands on your knees. We're going to be doing both ways, so don't worry about which way you're doing for the first round. And now going the other way. And then just come back to center. We are just going to stretch our right leg and we're just going to squeeze that left knee really close to the chest as much as we can. You're going to feel a nice stretch in your hip flexor. Then you're going to inhale, exhale, bring this knee across your body. Your hand and your left arm are going to go to the opposite direction. Your head is also going to go to the opposite direction. And just feel this nice, gentle pull in your spine. And just starting to take some nice deep breaths here. Just relaxing that nervous system. And now slowly release, but you're gonna come onto your right side and then all the way onto your stomach, keeping that left knee bent to the side at a nice right angle. You're gonna stretch both of your arms now, and then you're just gonna lift your left arm up, inhale, exhale, bring it under your right arm, and just hold this twist in your shoulders here. You're also welcome to do this without the twist. And now just untwist those arms. Bring your leg that was out to the side back. We're gonna inhale, exhale, push ourselves up, come to a nice child's pose for a moment. And then just slowly start to come up. You're just gonna come again onto your glutes, and we're gonna repeat that all on the other side. So just lower yourself down. Let's now bring our right knee to our chest, stretching out that left leg. Hold here for a moment. And now just inhale, exhale, bring that right knee across your body. Going to the opposite direction with your head, trying to keep those shoulders on the mat. just connect with yourself. Maybe close your eyes here. And now slowly start to untwist your body. Keep your right knee bent, coming onto your stomach. Stretching both your arms, then lifting your right arm up. Inhale. Exhale. Bring that right arm under your left arm and just rest your head on the side of the mat. And again, just always keeping some deep breaths going here. Now slowly untwist those arms, stretch your arms forward, bring that right leg back, hands come close to your chest, and we lift ourselves up. And again, let's come to a nice child's pose. And now once again, let's come to our glutes for our final stretches. So just come onto your back once again. We're this time gonna come to our happy baby pose. So stretch your legs up, grabbing under your legs, your knees, ankles, or the outsides of your feet. And we're just gonna hold here. Try to keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. If you feel them tensing up, you might be grabbing a little too high for yourself. So just grab a different part of your body just so that you can relax those shoulders. And again, just go ahead and close your eyes here for a moment. And now slowly stretch those legs up, bend your knees, and let's just rock side to side for our final movement. Just giving that lower back a nice little massage here. And then just roll yourself up. And you are finished. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I hope you all have a lovely evening. Bye.